Hey Shooby Doodlers, my studio has arrived and you can see I'm starting to put down the bearers. Oh, so yesterday was a complete wipeout with the rain, and also I was up at night having to do some emergency plumbing and that completely wiped me out. Anyway, I'm just up to the bottom of the windows and it's still raining. It's lunchtime, but they kind of promised a bit of sunshine this afternoon, so let's see what happens. I have to show you this. This must be the first time I've seen sunshine in a couple of weeks. Proper sunshine like that. Gorgeous. Lifts the spirit. So the tarpaulins arrived late last night and I had to put them on in the dark. And this morning it's spotting a little bit and it's due to rain about 4 and then all tomorrow, possibly snow tomorrow as well. So I need to get on. Well, it started raining, so I put the tarpaulin over the new studio and I'm going to have the day off tomorrow. Well, I'm not, because I'm going to get back to the bathroom and I'm going to be filling in all this stuff on the plastering on the wall. And then Saturday I'll be back out there with my son-in-law who's coming over to help me get back to work on the new studio. And it's coming on bigger than my old one. It's bigger than any kind of studio space I've had before, so it's great and I can't wait to get it all sorted out. And then I'll be able to start making proper videos and stuff again. While I'm doing all that, I'm thinking about things that I might do, but if you've got things you'd like me to do, let me know through my website or in the comments box down below. In the meantime, keep watching, doing whatever it is you're doing, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.